All right, in this video we're going to show you how to replace the lid on our small pop-ups here. We've got these in both 2-inch and 4-inch, but these are nice space-saving sprinklers that have a thinner profile. They accept our female threaded adjustable nozzles as well as fixed pattern nozzles. And replacing this part is actually pretty simple. Really all you need to do is remove the lid. You pull this out. Then you're going to next need to remove the nozzle. Set that aside. Lid comes off. That's the wiper seal. As long as that's good, just leave that in there. Take the new lid, stick that on there, and then just reassemble it. So we'll put the nozzle back on and put it back in the sprinkler. And we are all set to go. That's all it takes, just a few seconds. But a new lid can be a simple repair, can reduce leaks, reduce any flooding that might be happening, any performance issues. If you have any questions about this process, please let us know in the comments below, and we would be happy to help you.